today we thought we would show you. This is our neighbor's cows. You see them in the background of all our other videos. Miranda wanted to show you all the neighbor's cows.
He licks my hand.
So he's got some babies inside. Miranda wants to go see the baby cows. So we're going to go see some baby cows. Hey, that's the one with the big bulgy eyes. That one's nice. He'll let you pet it.
One of them has horns, too.
Mrrr.
I like the Oreo cow.
Bet you tastes good. Mmm, yummy Oreo cow. So this is the neighbor, and very nice people, great people. Can't complain a bit. Some of the best neighbors I've ever had. There's some of his grandkids over there waving. Yeah.
About what? Cows.
About the cows. We're gonna come over and see the baby cows in a minute.
Okay. Come here. Oh my God, please stop.
So there's our horses and our little barn. And here's our neighbor's cows. And we're going to take a walk over and see the baby cows. Oops. Oh, be careful, careful. Here's a big cow.
You're going to kill her someday.
You're going to be a hamburger. And there's a baby
my
cow.
Calf. My little cutie card. That one is mine. Hey, you said. You can have the other one. Hey, you said. Oh, you can have all the cows inside. If I could have this with a calf. Please, Cutter. Please, sir. So love this.
Can you turn that light on there, Cutter?
Yeah. Good baby. Aww. Baby cow.
That's better. Meh.
Hungry cow. He's a newest one. Don't know what our oldest one is. We'll sticky after. Oh yeah.
Meh.
Let
Be careful.
Let me think about it, Iris. See, I was in that little pen, the little box pen this morning.
Mm-hmm.
To get back to these cows.
Ah, you guys moving them around, huh?
Yeah. Cute. See, if they want to jump you with me, I would be in there with them right now.
Yeah, you gotta be careful, especially if you're by yourself, buddy.
Well, are you gonna post this video online?
Yeah, she's gonna put it on her YouTube channel.
That's our YouTube channel.
Uh-huh.
What's it called?
KMJFarr. What?
What for?
Yep. Do you watch YouTube?
Yeah.
You have to check it out. We've got some videos of our horses on there. You can check it out. And we come over to see the cows.
So you're going to post this one on today?
Probably later she's going to. Oh, and let's see if we can peek through the little hole here. We'll go out there and see them too.
I can get in here with this cow. Ain't that feisty?
No, I just want you to be careful.
This cow is not feisty.
I know, but you gotta be careful.
I like this.
This is neat. This is yum yum. Somebody's gonna go yum 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 someday. And it's not gonna be you, is it? No.
Some reason cats have little tails.
Yeah.
Okay. Good girl. Good boy. Oh, get over here. Good girl. This one's mine.
That's your cow?
Until I think of it.
Did you name it?
Oh.
Did you guys name them?
Not yet.
No.
Oh, it takes me a little while to name it.
Yeah.
Or most of the time, just name it without thinking.
Yeah.
My cow. Because it's real easy.
Name it.
No, it's not.
Name it hamburger.
No.
Steakums.
No.
Steaks.
I don't name it anything. Like after 1 month.
We'll move the cow.
My cow is out there. My cow is out there.
Hi, we are back from our neighbor's cows. We did see the baby cows, but our camera did die. So we'll have to go back and revisit their baby cows later.
And chickens.
And their chickens, yes. And we're going to feed them. And then we're going to go back inside.
And we probably are going to make a trip over to our uncle's place when it gets a little bit better weather.
He has some really cool birds that we'd like to show you.
He got he's got emus. He's got some emus.
And peacocks.
Lots of peacocks.
And like birds. And
Yeah.
deer.
And deer. It's a pretty cool place. He's got more than we have here. We just got a few horses and a rooster and a dog
And a hamster.
and a hamster. We probably ain't gonna have hamster in videos. No.
Maybe during the summer.
Maybe in the summer. You want fed? Huh? Come on. Come on, let's get fed. You got them buckets filled up, JJ? Fill them up. Here, I'll show you. Come here. I'll show you. Hand me one of them things right there. Hand me one of the scoops. JJ, come here. He doesn't have to go in there. So scooping that one. Scooter gets a little bit more. He needs the extra. That's Ginger's.
Yeah.
Where's Scooter's? Well, dump that in Scooter's then.
Bye-bye. There's nothing in there, sir.
Dump that one in that one, and then I'll put this scoop in there for Ginger. Doesn't really matter. You're making it harder than it needs to be.
Well, because this bucket is muddy.
Okay. So that's Ginger's. Okay, take another scoop. Give me that other, take this, put that in that bucket.
What bucket?
With this one, put it with that one. Give that to Miranda. And you need a scoop for baby. And hand it to Miranda when she comes over.
You gotta give Rooster some more food.
Yeah, I'll put, no, there's a lot out there for Rooster.
Yeah, but Rooster likes it fresh.
Oh,
Yeah.
he doesn't need fresh. Take
Yes,
that out.
he does.
Take that out for Ginger.
Rooster needs. Okay, that's better than food.
Oh, you need that. Here, Miranda, take his bale down.
I need to grab the hose because no one did.
JD will go grab it. Just take us down.
I want to get hail. Do you have the scissors?
I'll take it.
I can go.
You got it?
That hurt.
You gotta put it in farther. There you go.
That's what she said.
Don't say that on video.
I'm not video.
It is on video.
No.
You don't say that stuff.
Show me. No.
Just spread it around the outside. Just watch them scissors. Give me them scissors.
Why?
Excuse me. That's good.
Got the scissors?
I got it in my back pocket.
You're not on. Oh, you're on. You're not putting that in the video, though.
I did it. There's Rooster.
Feel like saying around.
Well, he's picking up the extra feed. Don't chase it down. Hey, throw this rope away.
Don't turn it on, don't turn it on, don't turn it on. No, don't. Told me not to.
Let's go see how everybody's doing. How are you doing? I'm good. Gigi's baby. She's a good girl, aren't you? Huh? She's a good girl. Let's go back here and see what we have. We got Rue. How you doing? Hi, Scooter. Hi, buddy. He's our old boy. Scoot, our pastor. How's Ginger? Hey, girl. Well, I think it's it for night. We got everybody fed. Plenty of hay to eat. And we'll call that a night. Oh, she's trying to... Watch out. Watch out. She's coming at your food. Come on. No. Go get some hay. Go get some hay. Go. 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 It's not yours.